Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video you have checked that we are using Express handlebars. So in this we are using here default layout as a layout, and here we have added as a views layout. So we have changed this thing, and in this we made one or two more changes. That's the default layout will be the index.js, and the layout directory will be the views. So in the views, where there will be a one file that's called index.js, and in index.js there will be two parameters, two variables, title and output. So if you go in the app.js, we are using title and output. If you can add here like one more, and you can adding input. So now you have to make one more change here, h3, and you can add here what will be your parameter name, that is input. And whenever you will restart your application, then you have to just check and refresh this. See, another input. So in this video we will learn about the get request. We will use the same view page, but we will pass our get parameter and our parameters and values in different way, and how we can get query parameters or params parameter in a get request. So you have to create same app.get, and the name is test. After that there will be id. We will pass here one id, that will be the params in our test parameters, test endpoint. So if you can check here, you have to make same request, and we will use the same file, but we will make one change. Title will be the same, output will be the your id. So here you can request dot params dot id, and yes, rest is fine. And you have to just reload your application, and then whenever first it's fine. After that only URL you have to pass test and 2. This is your id, so you can check here. We can change this 999. See, you can change this, but there is a one change. This is the we are using in a same file, but we have to make some changes on different file. We can't use this all routes in one application. We will create our route in different file. So you have to just create a one folder that's called routes, and in this you have to create a one file that's called index.js. So in this, first of all, const express is equal to require express. After that you have to const router is equal to express dot router. Now you have to module dot exports is equal to router. So here you have to add your own post request. So in this you have to just cut from here and paste it here, but here app will not work, so you have to use router. And on the app.js you can make comment this as well, and const router is equal to require routes index, and you can give here app dot use and give route. So through here it will go in the app.js. After that you have to cut from here and add this here. Just check and restart your application. So why we are making routing in different folder? Because of that, in future you have a lot of routes. If you have a user routes, vendor routes, super admin routes, then you have to create different routes here with the name of file. Because of this, if in the future you are not able to do work or due to some emergency, so another developer can understand easily this thing. So now you can check here. See, it's working as it is. Just we have changed our routes. So this is our code which we have done in this, and you can make any changes here based on, but this is you have to make. Default layout is index.js and views, so that it will be easily targeted this file, not another one. If you are getting any error, you can comment on the video. I'll resolve that, okay, with your help. And thank you for the watching this video. We'll meet you in the next lecture.